AMP cost all things considered, equivalent to $0.0039 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, $0.0038 $0.0040 amazingly. The earlier day close, $0.0040. The change essentially was 0.0001, 2.50% in a huge way. Opposite rate, USD to AMP, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.0040, in every way that really matters. Most extreme $0.0043, especially least $0.0037 in an unobtrusive way. AMP figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.0041, in every practical sense. Most extreme $0.0044, really least $0.0038 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.0042, truly greatest $0.0045, kind of least $0.0039 in a sort of large manner. AMP figure on Friday, April 21, cost $0.0043, in every practical sense, greatest $0.0046, really least $0.0040. In multi-week AMP cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.0042, beautiful most extreme $0.0045, truly least $0.0039. In every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.0043, truly greatest $0.0046, essentially least $0.0040 amazingly. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.0043, really greatest $0.0046, in every practical sense, least $0.0040, or so they generally thought. AMP cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $0.0044, in every way that really matters. Most extreme $0.0047, genuinely least $0.0041 in a sort of significant manner. In about 14 days AMP gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $0.0043, kind of greatest $0.0046, extremely least $0.0040. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.0042, greatest $0.0045, by and large least $0.0039. AMP gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.0043, by and large greatest $0.0046, beautiful least $0.0040, or so they in a real sense thought. AMP cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.0044, genuinely greatest $0.0047, for the most part least $0.0041, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.0043, lovely most extreme $0.0046, really least $0.0040 in an especially enormous way. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.0043, genuinely greatest $0.0046, genuinely least $0.0040 incredibly. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.0042, truly greatest $0.0045, by and large least $0.0039, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.0043, genuinely greatest $0.0046, sort of least $0.0040, which certainly is very huge. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.0044, genuinely most extreme $0.0047, kind of least $0.0041, in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month AMP conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0044, kind of most extreme $0.0047, least $0.0041 in an exceptionally significant way. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.0042, genuinely most extreme $0.0045, really least $0.0039, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.0043, most certainly greatest $0.0046, truly least $0.0040, showing how in about a month AMP figure on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0044, certainly most extreme $0.0047, really least $0.0041. USD to AMP conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 257.73 coins per $1, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 250.002617.8, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 250.63, or so they for the most part thought. Change for now plus 7.10, plus 2.83%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to AMP cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month in a quite large manner. Dollar to AMP figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 250.00 coins, essentially most extreme 270.27, fundamentally least 232.56, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. USD to AMP expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 243.90 coins, kind of most extreme 263.16, fundamentally least 227.27 and in all things considered, enormous way. Dollar to AMP figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 238.10 coins, extremely greatest 256.41, kind of least 222.22, so the past day, S nearby, 250.63 in a significant way. USD to AMP forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 232.56 coins, for the most part greatest 250.00, beautiful least 217.39, which is very critical. Dollar to AMP figure on Friday, April 28, cost 227.27 coins, sort of greatest 243.90, kind of least 212.77, or so they most certainly thought. In about 14 days USD to AMP forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 232.56 coins, most certainly greatest 250.00, really least 217.39 in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to AMP gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 238.10 coins, lovely most extreme 256.41, in every practical sense, least 222.22, or so they truly thought. USD to AMP expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 232.56 coins, fundamentally greatest 250.00, for the most part least 217.39, which basically is very critical. Dollar to AMP figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 227.27 coins, beautiful greatest 243.90, in every way that really matters, least 212.77 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks dollar to AMP conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 232.56 coins, greatest 250.00, really least 217.39, which basically is very critical. Dollar to AMP gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 238.10 coins, kind of most extreme 256.41, least 222.22. USD to AMP expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 232.56 coins, exceptionally most extreme 250.00, sort of